Today looks like a good day to check another bird off the life list.
The northern hawk owl. It's in town, guys!
Less than an hour away.
Less than an hour. We're gonna go see it. We're gonna go see it right now.
Schoenberg, here we come.
All right, let's get to Schaumburg. Looks like there's lots of people here parked all over the side of the road.
And look at all the birders here in the field. We parked up by the Tim Hortons and walked down. Owl wasn't hard to find. The crowds were everywhere.
I think I got it here in my sights. It's in the middle of the field in that group of trees.
Oh, sweet. I've wanted to see this bird for so long.
Yeah, this is a life bird for us. We've never seen a northern hawk owl before.
And it's never seen us.
These guys eat small rodents such as mice, rats, voles, and lemmings.
But they're not afraid to eat a bird either. Watch out, songbirds.
Oh, looks like he sees something.
It's a black squirrel in a tree. Watch out.
Let's see that again. Whoa! Close call.
Get out of here, Mr. Squirrel, run!
Oh, looks like the owl missed him this time. This guy here is the
World's luckiest squirrel!
And with talons like these, that squirrel's lucky to make it down alive.
The talons of owls are razor sharp, perfect for catching prey. The northern hawk owl can detect prey by sight up to half a mile away.
The northern hawk owl is a medium-sized true owl, found in northern latitudes. Northern hawk owls are usually non-migratory and stay within their breeding range. They can be found as far west as Alaska and as far east as Newfoundland. But when food gets low in its breeding range, you'll find these birds flying other places. Maybe that's why this one's here. Northern hawk owls aren't nocturnal like most owls. They're one of the few owls that hunts only during the day.
At night, they roost in tree branches, often close to the trunk and tucked in amongst the branches, where they can be more difficult to locate. This owl is called a northern hawk owl because its behavior is like a hawk, but it looks like an owl. So they called it the northern hawk owl. Just like all owls, they can turn their head 270 degrees. What an impressive bird.
The northern hawk owl weighs about 12 ounces. Oh, and has a wingspan of 18 inches. Alright, just saw the northern hawk owl. You probably saw the video already. Pretty freaking cool, eh guys? Check that off the list. We're gonna go home, edit out this video, and hope you guys enjoy. Have a good night.
Cheers.
Cheers. Stay fly.
Bird on.
Well, that was a fun little twitch.
Yeah, always fun to twitch for a bird. Guys, make sure when you're around these types of things that you park far enough away and you're not disturbing the locals. Because people get pissed off. They don't care if you're seeing a bird. They're not into birds. That's their prerogative.
Just be respectful.
Alright, guys, take care. Be cool. Stay fly.
Peace.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah, do it.